Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can try to fix any connection issues of your Amazfit ZenBuds. So as you can see in my case, I was connected like a few seconds ago, but for some reason there's the information that they are not connected anymore, and first I have the notification that the left ear plug is missing. So I'm going to show you my solution. That's it's working in my case, so you can also try it. And you have to just click on these three lines in the right upper corner when you have this notification, and then just scroll down and go for the factory reset. As you can see, currently it's not available, it's grayed out, but to get it back you just have to put both earbuds inside this charging case, wait until this indicator lights up, then close your case. Right now the three indicators were lights up. Wait until it disappears. Right now just open it one more time and remove left and the right ear plug. Right now let's go back and take a look. It looks like we are still not connected, so we are going to simply unpair them. So click one more time on these three lines in the right upper corner, then click to unpair. Confirm for the second time. As you can see, we successfully removed this device. So let's perform the previously steps, put them back. Now wait for the indicators, they disappear. So take them out of this case one more time. Go to this My Devices on this application, go for the earbuds, go for the Amazfit ZenBuds, and you have to just click next. Of course, before the pairing, you have to remember to charge the case and of course the earbuds for like 10 or 20 minutes. I just did it, so I forgot to mention about that. And right now we'll be connected back. Okay, we can just scroll with this quick tutorial. And now go to this three lines in the right upper corner, scroll down, go to the factory reset, and as you can see, we have to take out our earplugs like we did it. Click to factory reset and then click OK. As you can see right now it is finished, so let's unpair them one more time, put them back to the case, and right now close this case. Wait for the indicators until they disappear. Now take them out of this case. Put it close to your device. Go to the My Devices, go for the earbuds, and one more time pair them with your device. And right now, after this factory reset process, in my case, they works fine. So you can tell me also in the comments if this simple solution is working in your case. And after a few seconds we'll be successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.